And it's time to replace that head filter. Hey, it's Captain Brian, and this boat has a vacuum flush toilet system. Vacuum pump creates a vacuum. When you flush the toilet, the vacuum sucks the waste through and into the holding tank, which is on this boat's back here. And the air in the tank has to escape out a tube at the top of the holding tank out to the side of the boat. And that would smell bad with that air coming out, but there's an inline filter, a vent filter, that hides that smell. And after maybe a year or two maybe, that vent filter goes bad, and then you start smelling it again. So at that point it's time to change that filter. So where is this filter? It's going to depend on your boat. On our boat, it's actually right kind of attached to the top of the tank, and then on the other side of the filter the hose goes right over the side. But and for us, I can access it by taking off the door to the washdown spigot on the swim platform. But to find it on your boat, just see if it's either close to the top of the tank, or if there's a hose coming off the top of the tank, it's going somewhere else. You got to follow that and find out where it is. I've heard people say that it's behind cabinets or weird places, but it should be in a place where you can reach, because it needs to be replaced pretty much yearly. So for us, I can access my filter by unscrewing the cockpit washdown door, and once I pull that out, I can reach in and unscrew the fittings on either side of the vent filter and pull it out. And you can get these filters on Amazon for 50 bucks, so it's well worth it not to stink up your neighbors at the dock.
You don't want to be that guy.
No.
Good job.
Make sure you also change out your water filter on your boat. Check out our video on how we keep our freshwater system clean and smelling good. Hope you like this video and subscribe for more from My Boat Life.